Alright, welcome Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on another restore for Ricky, number 116. It's a 1957 15 horsepower Johnson. It's a model number is a FD10L, and it's a unique 15 horsepower. They only made them for a couple of years. Ricky wanted this thing done patina. I think he's going to do the painting and decaling on it. Just wanted me to restore it mechanically, and I have done that. I redid the magneto, redid the carburetor, lower unit. He had a broken off skeg on the bottom. I replaced that. Replaced a few knobs for him. Steering handle was hung up on it. I got it loosened up. Let's give her a test run and see how she runs. Yes, sir. She's a beauty, unique. Ricky's got quite a collection going. Here's another one to add to it. I'm gonna take her on a bayou test run in the next day or two. See how she does. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See you next time. Remember, here at T-Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!